For algebra is with me. Statistics and probability, they comfort me. They prepare so many problems before me. What is going on today? We're going to look at something very unique and interesting in mathematics, and that is prayer of mathematics, Math 23 as in Psalm 23. And I will oblige you to repeat after me. You will enjoy it, of course. Okay, let's go. Math 23. Mathematics is my subject. I shall not run away from it. It makes me to lie down in Bodmas. It leads me beside LCM and HCF. Even though I walk through the angles of elevation and depression, I shall fear no hardness. For algebra is with me. Statistics and probability, they comfort me. They prepare so many problems before me in the presence of my four-figure table. They anointed my brain with formula, my brain overflow. Surely addition and subtraction shall follow me in the days of my examination, and I shall dwell in the house of indices and logarithms forever and ever. Amen. Very, very interesting, and I know you love it. Please make sure you drop a comment down below, and also turn on the notification for further videos on mathematical and physics problems, and also make sure you share this video so that your friends can also enjoy this Math 23. Thank you very much, and like our video, like our page. Make sure you follow us so that you get more tips on mathematics and some problems on mathematics. Thank you very much, and stay tuned.